Before starting the video, I have to say Happy New Year to 2022. So welcome to 2022 year's fresh and newest video. As today video is somewhat mixed of previous year as 2021 year, but I think this will be very creative and very interesting thing. So today I'm going to share with you how to create this type of splatter effect from Photoshop. This effect is more suitable for social media profile pictures or logos or anything you like, places like your galleries or anything else. So I think this video will be more interesting and more creative with 2022 year and 2021 year also. So let's get started the first video of 2022 in TECHEX. First of all, you can download these two images from the description, and also you can download this PSD file from the description. The PSD file contains the splatter effect of today's project, right? Then import these both images to your Photoshop interface by drag and drop, right? Then go to splatter effect TECHEX.png image, and you need to create a custom background for this image. To do it, first you need to select the subject of this image from this background layer. To do is, you can go to the quick selection tool and press on select subject. So after you select your subject, you can make some corrections of it. So I think this one is be a correction. So how do you make the correction here? Press on Ctrl or Command J, and then you can create a background for this image and go to these blending options and go to gradient or solid color or pattern or anything else. So I'm going to gradient and make a color of it. So after you do that, go to press on OK button and downgrade this color layer to the layer 1. After you do that, then in this stage you can create anything to your image, change the color of the shirt or change the skin color, skin tone, or anything else you can do to this image. At this stage I'm going to change the shirt's color. If you don't know about how to change white into any color, you can watch this video. I'm not going to tell you how to change it. So after you delete, you can select these two layers. Don't select the background color layer, you can select these two layers, or then right click on it and go to merge layers, right? Then the next one is very interesting one. Then you can drag this splatter effect texture and drop to your splatter effect, right? Then rescale it to you like or matching state. I think this one is matching, right? Then select this one using this stick and press Ctrl and select this splatter layer like this. Then it will create a selection over this texture and select the we pre-changed this merged layer, right? Then press on delete button in your keyboard, right? And then you can delete this layer or hide this layer. We don't need this layer, so I'm deleting this layer like that. Then you can see this splatter effect is here like that. Then press on Ctrl or Command D to deselect and erase the things that you unnecessary part of your video image. So I'm going to the eraser tool and select this color pin one, and I'll delete this unsharp here. Okay, I did it. Then you can make a shadow or your shirt. So before going to that, you can select your shirt. So after you did it, you can press Ctrl or Command J and double click on it to get the layer styles and press on drop shadow and make it changes to it. So after you make some changes on it, press on OK button and make it visible like that. It's look like realistic. And then select these two layers and merge these layers. Right click on it and merge layers. And then we can create this image to a cartoon effect. Then if you create this image into a cartoon effect, it will be more interesting and more creative. To do is, you can get the cartoonize effect. If you don't know, or if you didn't watch that video, you can watch that video from this pop-up. This video shows you how to create your image into a cartoonize effect from just simple ways. It's so interesting and it's simple and very simple to do. So I do my cartoon effect to this one. So after you turn your image into a cartoon effect, it will look like this. It will create so many layers to here. I really talk about that in that video, as we can color grade over it. Also, I'm going to select this one and you can color grade to your own one. So I'm not going to color grade. I think this one is preferred. Then you can make it another thing to create this one into very interesting and very creative way. Like this, create a new layer here at the top of this bar, and then get the brush tool from this one, or you can in your keyboard press on B to get the brush tool and make it larger from this key. And if you need to make it smaller, you can use this key. And then right click in, and then you can select the brushes sprites. So to do it, you can go to the special effect brushes, and then you can see this is the default brushes from the Photoshop. This kind of splatter brush. You can see these all are splatter brushes, but this not all are. This is a screenshot concept. As these three are splatter brushes, so you can use this. I will use first one and make it some larger, and you can select the color over it. So I just thinking the shirt color will be more suitable to this one, so I use like blue color. Then make selections, make your painting over your image right there like this. If you one time press this, the brush direction will be automatically changed. This is the best thing in this Photoshop right here. Then you can change your brush. I'll select the second one and make it. Then our effect is ready. So you can do it to any image you like. I think it will be a very interesting and very creative effect for you. You can use this as your profile for pictures and anything you like. If you create this effect, you can post it to our WhatsApp group. So you can join it with this link in the description. I will link in the description, or you can post it to any other social media like Discord or anything else. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, you can subscribe my channel and ring the bell so don't miss any other this type of Photoshop tutorials and many more features. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see in another interesting video with more new stuff, and see you again on